Everyone, welcome to Tech Easy. See here, today in this video I'll be explaining a very easy tutorial on Clipchamp. See here, this is Microsoft Clipchamp, which is one of the best video editing software for free. So first of all, how to open this? So I'll be minimizing everything on my computer. On your Windows 11 or 10, just search as Clipchamp here. So if you find a already installed app, that is fine. What if you don't find? Then what you can do is you can search for Microsoft Store first, and in Microsoft Store you need to search for Clipchamp here. So through Microsoft Store you can just install this. So even though if you search for the Clipchamp, it is already installed. See here, if it is not installed, it says something like free. Here you need to click and you need to just click on install here or get. Install or get. Okay, what if you want to directly access through web browser? That is also possible. You can directly use through web browser, but it is not recommended to do it here because some lag issues will be there. So better you install this app and open now. And I'm assuming you don't have any knowledge in video editing or any knowledge in Microsoft Clipchamp, and this tutorial is very basic tutorial and for very beginners who are just entering into this Microsoft Clipchamp. You not even seen this before, so you don't even know one single option here. For those people, this tutorial will be a good one. First of all, I'll be just deleting this also. I'll be coming from the scratch. Okay, so it will be good. So when you open this Microsoft Clipchamp for the first time, this is what you'll see. From this screen, I'll be telling how you can export and make a good successful video editing. First of all, click on import media. See here, your media, the first option. Record and create, I will tell. Content library, I will tell. Text, templates, transitions, one by one will come. First of all, click on your media. When you click, it will ask you to import media, and there is drop down. See here, and when I click on this, it will open your this PC. Okay, under this PC I have some sort of videos to be edited here, so I selected one. You can select multiple. Just press Ctrl on your keyboard and select other and click on open. So 2 video files I got here. So I'll be clicking one more. Okay, this is my channel intro. What I'll do is you can directly drag and drop over here, or else I'll be deleting this one. Right click and delete. You can click on this plus symbol here, which adds to the timeline, and you can zoom out. Okay, here, so that you will get more editing area here. Next I want this video, so I'll be clicking on plus here. Immediately it joins here. Okay, now you can minimize it so that you can see all the videos over here. Now I want this video, but this video was in portrait, but this video is in landscape. So in this video you're going to learn one tip that, but by any chance if you have this scenario that you want to rotate this, select this particular clip, just click on here and you'll get this 3 dots here. Okay, click on 90% and click on this fill option, and again rotate by 90 and again rotate by 90. Now it's perfectly fine. Just play and check once. Okay, so there is a background song which I don't want, and this is another point you are going to learn how to remove the audio. First select the clip you want to remove the audio, and click on this audio option at the right side and click on detach audio. So the audio gets separated. Okay, likewise I'll do for this one also. For this clip also I'll be clicking on detach audio. Now I'm just removing this audio by right clicking and delete, right clicking and delete. Now fine. Okay, I'll be closing this. Yeah. So this is the cursor point. Wherever you drag here, at that timeline you will get to the video here, the preview. Okay, so now I'll tell you the next step is trimming the video. For example, in this video you don't want from here to, from this seconds to this timeline, you don't want this clip. Okay, this clip in the video, so you need to cut it. So place this cursor wherever you want, plane check also, and just use this split option and move this cursor to the point where you want to cut this video. Split it again and right click, delete, and join this. Okay, now see here, play it. Yeah, you have learned that one also. I'm just clicking on Control Z to undo the changes, because just for the tutorial purpose to show you I use this cut option. Okay, but yeah, if you click on Control Z, that is undo. For Control Y, it is redo. Okay, the next point, uh, transitions. For example, from this clip to this clip, it is just coming like this. I'll show you. Okay, from this clip to this clip, it is directly coming, but instead you can click on here so that you will get the transitions here. You can use any of the transitions. For example, this one. Now check here, see, that would be good. For likewise, between the clips you can use the transitions, and you can use whichever transition you want, so that it will look some professionality. See here, yeah. And likewise, I'll go to the next step. Yeah, I'll be pausing this. And the next step is record and create. See here, for example, some people want to record their computer screen, overall computer screen, and also the front camera. In that case, you need to use screen and camera. You can use only camera recording. Some people want to use only screen, means the total screen area gets recorded. See here, you can mute the mic, you can just record the screen, or along with the mic you can record it. Click on this, hit the big red button and choose to record. If I click this, the screen gets recorded. And audio and text to speech, this is very useful thing. For example, I want some voice over here. What I'll do is, I bought this cycle from a store. So you can click on preview here.
I bought this cycle from a store.
So you need to give the text. The AI will give the voiceover for you. So whatever, and you can change the language also. For example, I'll be using Adam here. Preview.
I bought this cycle from a store.
Yeah. If you click on save here, now that clip gets added here. Let us play and check.
I bought this cycle from a store.
Yeah. So I'll be deleting this one. For anything you want to delete, you can click on just delete here. And one more thing I want to show you. So at this point, I want to include this video clip again. Say for example, on mobile screen recording, sometimes you screen record this, and this is what you will get as the portrait recording, and the other parts remains black. How you can get rid of this situation? You can simply get rid of this situation by importing any of the images here. For example, I'll be taking one image, so this image gets added to here, and you can drag and drop over here. This is the one, right? So you can just drag it to the video length. See here, Now the background got filled up. So I'll be deleting this one. So if you add any cool background, that would be a good professional feel to have this video editing, especially when you're recording in the portrait and you want landscape video for YouTube especially. And coming to the text effects. So for example, if you want to add any text now here, you can go to this text section at the left side and you can use any of the text. For example, this one, fireworks. So this text clip got added here. You need to double click on this so that you will get the text area here. Hello to everyone. Just for example purpose I am writing, okay. Whatever relevant, you need to write it here, and you can change the fonts here, whatever the fonts, and you can change the size here, and you can set the position to somewhere you want, okay, and you can adjust the text color to you want. So now we'll check it. Hello to everyone. See, so this text will be very useful. You can use all this text according to your creativity and according to your position placement and according to your required font. You can make a professional feel, okay. That is all about text, okay. Next, the templates. For example, you want an intro or outro. For example, at the end of the video you want a thank you note. See here under templates, under YouTube, for example, you're creating a video for YouTube. So at the end you want some animation, something like this. Yeah, I'll be adding this one, okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. So I'll be checking this one, okay. Means ready-made templates you can use instead of creating it from the scratch. Yeah, see how beautiful it is. So meanwhile you can just comment what's your opinion on this tutorial, that if you're a beginner, a very basic beginner, first time just seeing this Microsoft Clipchamp, how do you feel about my explanation or my tutorial, trying to explain the video editing to you? How do you feel? Please do comment, and if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. Okay, coming back, the transitions we completed, the templates, text effects, and now the content library. So in some part of the video you can use different shapes. For example, you don't want this person to be visible to the people. At that point you can just use it as the overlay, okay. This is the one, right? So you can use the position here, see something like that. And you can adjust the size also. Sorry, the video got selected. Yeah, see, now test it. Just for example, okay, you need to use your creativity to use all the shapes. For example, arrows for tutorial purpose, lot of times we use this indicators arrows, okay. uh, there is the shapes, add to this timeline and select this, and you can use, once you select this, you can go to the editing area and you can move the positions to somewhere you want, and you can increase or decrease the size of here also, okay. Yeah, you can rotate it here. Yeah, size it's not possible, I guess. Yeah, I'm trying to reducing it, but it's just moving the position. Yeah, size I need to check. And likewise you can use a lot of shapes here, and not only shapes, you can use like likes, Like stickers you can use, stickers you can make use. For example, you can use this button, add to timeline. So immediately it got added here. You can increase the length also. So this is a duration, remember. For example, there is like here, right? Here there is like. You can just drag it. Yeah. You can keep it anywhere. Now we'll test it. Yeah. Okay. Likewise, you can make use of this content library, and also sound effects also you can use. For example, I'll be keeping an SFX. Okay, all audio I'll be searching. I'll be searching sound effects. You can add the music. First of all, I'll quickly add one music, then I'll be using one so I added a music clip here. See here at the top it got added. Later I'll use SFX also. Just try to play this. Okay, fine. Now I'll be just adding SFX. Okay, sound effects. Okay, sorry, sound effects. And this part I'll be just for the transitions. Okay, it's better to use in the transition area here. I'll be keeping the cursor here, and here I'll be using this one, add to timeline. So now we'll test this. Yeah, so in this way you can make use of all the effects. So if you do have any other comments, you can ask. For example, you may ask, when you add a music here, you can decrease the volume here at the right side, you can this volume here. See, I kept it to 0, that's why it is not giving any sound. And for example, in few cases you want the video to be played in slow motion. At that point you need to select the particular clip and click on the speed here and reduce it to low speed. See, now it is playing in slow speed. For example, at some point of time you want in faster video play. So in that case, see here, now it is playing in 2x and above, 2.5 to be precise. Yeah, I guess I covered everything. So now I'll assume all the things are completed. Now we'll go to the final part, which is exporting. So I'll be giving all the corrections here. Now I'll try to export it. Now we'll check the final output. Okay, I just explained you all the options, not all the options, but somewhat regularly useful options. And now I'll try to export this. At top right you'll see export option. Up to 1080 you can, HD, full HD you can export it. If you want 4K you need to purchase. Okay, so when you click on this, the processing gets started, and the processing mini view is here. Okay, and when it goes to 100%, it will ask you to save with the name or to your computer. So you need to give a name to the video so that it gets saved to your local computer. Once it gets saved to the local computer, I'll try to play the output, final output, which is edited through using this Microsoft Clipchamp, and you can see the output, and then you can comment down in this video section below. Okay, if you feel this is understandable tutorial, the least I can expect is a like for this video and a comment. I really wish at least I'll get like 1000 likes for this video. Yeah, let us I'll just pause this video, and once it is completely finished I'll get back to you. See here, 100% completed. It got 4444 MB. And when I click on save to the computer, you can use any of the folder you want. So for now I'll be just using this. You can name anything, beginners Clipchamp tutorial. I'm just naming it, whatever your wish. So we'll be going to this one, this PC, and going to the D folder, then final. and we'll try to play this. See here, this like one, and there would be somewhere, see this hello to everyone, see here, this hello to everyone, and that like one means you can add lot of effect text. See, please share, like and subscribe. Yeah, so just for the tutorial purpose, I have shown you all those things, but you need to do it in a professional way to get an excellent video. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments.